Hi dears, how are you? So let's talk about the question words or WH question. Let's start at the beginning with the specific question words which have only one answer. Number one, the word when. When asking for a time. For example, I say, when do you go to school? The answer at 6 o'clock. So if I find the answer time like this, so the question was with when. It can be something like a month, a week, uh, a day of the week. For example, when is your birthday? My birthday on the first day of October. When do you go to the beach? I go to the beach in summer. Okay, so it can be a season of the four seasons. It can be a day of the week. It can be a month. It can be a time like this, 6, 7, and so on. So once you find when, your answer should be with a time. And once you show the answer, you see the answer with a time. So the question with the word when. So when asking for a time. Number two, the question word where. Where asking for a place. Place of something. Okay. For example, I say, where is my bag? I can't find my bag. Where is my bag? So I say it's on the table. The table here is a place where the bag is. Okay, for example, where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Cairo, and Cairo is a place. Where are you from? I'm from Egypt, and Egypt is a country and it's a place. So once you find the answer with a place, your question was with the question word where. Number three. Number three, the question word who. Who? Who? Who asking for a person? A person. For example, who is she? She's my sister. So once you find the answer like this with a person, human being like father, mother, sister, brother, friend, Ahmad, Ali, Sarah, Kareem. So your question was with who? Who is this? Who is she? Who is he? Who are you? So who asking for a person. So the answer should contains a person like this. Number four, the question word why. Why? Why asking for the reason of doing something? And the answer for the question why, it should be one of these two answers. Number one, to. Number two, because. So if you find the answer with to, because, you know that the question was with why. For example, why did you go to school? Why did you go to school? I say to learn, to learn. So once you find the answer with to, so the question was with why. Why didn't you go to school yesterday? Because I was ill. So once you find the answer with because, so the question why. Let's see. The question word what. It can be for many things. Number one, for the job. If I want to ask for a job of someone, I say, what do you do? What do you do? And the answer, it can be, I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor, I'm a teacher, I'm an engineer, I'm a police officer. So, what do you do? Or what does she do? What does he do? So if you want to ask for a job, you have to ask with the question word what. Number two, and a very, very popular and a very common question, name. Asking for the name of someone when you say, what's your name? What's her name? What's his name? Number three, if you want to ask for something. For example, this is a pen. So if I want to ask, what is this? What is this? And the answer, it's a pen. So what is this? I can't say why is this, who is this? No, I say what is this? What is this? It's a pen. What is this? It's a book. So what is this? What are these? Asking for things or animals. Number four, if you want to ask for a time, again, if you want to ask for the clock, we use the question with what? What time is it? Or what is the time? If you remember the clock, when we talked about the clock, we said what is the time or what time is it? It's 6 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock. So once you find the question asking for a time, you have to use the question word what. The last one, the question word how. 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 It can be for many things. The most popular question when I say, how old are you? How old is she? How old is he? And when I say, how are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. So when you find a question asking for how are you, you have to use the question word how old, and we have how many, which asking for a number of something or okay, some things. Okay, for example, how many pens do you have? I have only 2 pens. Also, we have how much. How much asking for the uncountable names. For example, let's say how much sugar do you want? Or it's asking for the price of something. For example, if I want to buy this pen and I go to the shop and say, how much is this pen? This pen is only £1. So I can say how many, how much, and the last one, how often. How often? T is silent, so we don't say the T because the T is silent. Take care, the T is silent, so we don't pronounce it. We just say how often. How often asking for how many times you do this thing. How often do you brush your teeth? Brush my teeth 2 times a week. So that's a question word, and it's very easy. Thank you. Bye bye.